The Winkelmann clamp is a circumcision clamp. It is manufactured by Lister Surgical Company. Invention. The Winkelmann clamp was invented in 1935. It is possible that it was named after German urological surgeon Karl Winkelmann, 1863–1925. Use. The Winkelmann clamp is used in a manner that is similar to the Gomco clamp. It is popular among the Turkish community in Germany and Palestine. See also: circumcision clamp, circumcision, genital modification and mutilation, ethics of circumcision, foreskin. Lister Surgical Company's official website. YouTube: circumcision of newborn baby.